Okay, so now, let's see the LMS together.
Yay.
Okay, so here is the LMS, of today's learning. So this week we will learn transitive and intransitive verbs, So the first you will see the notes here and then the video and then exercises on course book. After that we will answer the quiz,
Yay!
Okay, so first of all, let's see the note, Okay, nah ini dia transitive and intransitive verb, So today we will discuss about verb. What is verb? Verb is a word that tell us about what a person or animals or thing does. In bahasa Indonesia we say verb as kata kerja, the action. The activity of someone or animals or something. So, can you give me the examples of verb? Miss Rus kasih contoh. One verb is eating.
Playing.
Give me the other examples.
Miss, I know.
Yeah, what is that?
Playing, cooking.
Playing, good. Cooking. Any other?
Studying.
Studying.
Playing.
Sleeping.
Running, Miss, running.
Writing. Reading. Watching, singing, drinking, dancing, and many more. Banyak sekali contoh-contoh verb. That is verb. And then now verb can be divided into two kinds. Transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So for transitive verbs, I already highlighted in yellow color. Okay, so now I will explain what is transitive verbs. Transitive verbs is a kind of verb where without the object, its meaning is incomplete. Therefore, it requires or needs an object to make it complete. Okay. Kata kerja yang memerlukan objek. So what is object means? Okay, let's see here. The examples. The first one, I take the ball. Nah, so I here is the subject or the character of the sentence, And then take is the verb, kata kerjanya mengambil. And then the ball is an object. Nah, objek itu adalah, so I will make object is thing or someone, which get the action from the subject. Nah, jadi benda atau seseorang yang menerima action dari the subject. Contohnya, the examples here, the ball. So the ball is taken by me. Jadi ball ini diambil oleh saya. Jadi ball is the object. And then how we can know in the sentence is there any object or not? Nah, untuk mencari tahu bagaimana ini isi subjek atau enggak kalimatnya nih. So we can use to find object, we can use the word, question word what, or to whom, or who. Jadi kita bisa pakai kata-kata tanya ini untuk mencari apakah ada objek atau tidak. For examples, the first sentence is I take the ball. Sekarang Misus mau buat pertanyaan. What do I or you take? Apa yang saya ambil?
The ball.
The ball. Good. And then the second question. The cat ate the fish. Okay. What did the cat eat? Apa yang the cat makan?
Fish.
Good. And then the last. What does
does
my
my mom
mom sing?
sing a song.
Good. Yeah.
Sing a
So
song.
all of the answers are the object. Ya, jadi kita bisa tahu the object by asking this question. Ya, kalau mau tahu ini objek atau bukan ya, so we can use this question. Ya, and then another examples. Misalkan, nah, misalkan another examples. I help my mother, misalnya gitu. And then kita untuk mencari tahu objeknya, we can use this question. Who did I help? Siapa yang saya bantu? Jawabannya my mother. Jadi my mother di sini is the object, ya.
My mother object, terus
And the
help
subject is I.
Subject is I, and then help is the verb, ya.
Berarti yang itu di akhir ya, Miss, ya?
help verb.
I get it.
Okay, good. Thank you. So we will move to the next session, yeah. Okay, we will move to the next session. Wait a second. Okay, next. Okay, I forgot to erase this one.
We have to clear all.
Yeah, clear all. Okay, next, the second one is transitive verb. Yeah, so here the transitive verb is highlighted in aqua or tosca, something like that, this color. Yeah. So intransitive verb is the opposite or the antonym of transitive verbs. Yeah. So this verb does not require or need an object. Ya, tidak perlu objek di sini. But sometimes it is followed by adverbs. Jadi kadang-kadang dia diikuti adverbs. Adverb itu artinya kata keterangan. Okay, so let's see the examples here. They wait patiently. Mereka menunggu dengan sabar. Ya, di sini what do they wait? Siapa atau apa yang mereka tunggu?
Patiently.
Ya, no one or no one. Ya, tidak ada yang mereka tunggu di
Nggak
sini.
ada yang tunggu.
Beda kalau misalkan kita tambahkan they wait for the doctor patiently. Mereka menunggu dokter. Nah, dokternya itu
dokternya
adverb.
berarti.
Ya, tapi kalau di sini tidak dijelaskan. Berarti this one is transitive verb, intransitive verb. Jadi dia adalah intransitive. And then the second one, the dog is running. Okay, the dog is running. Sudah jelas. Okay, that's it. No object. Ya. And then the last, the children walk to the park. Nah.
Ya, keterangan tempat.
Park is adverb ya, not an object. Karena dia tidak bisa menjawab pertanyaan what atau to whom or who.
Ya.
Ya, so to the park is adverb of place. Keterangan tempat ya. Nah.
Keterangan tempat.
So this one no object, tidak ada objek. Ya, tapi tanpa objek pun dia masih bisa. Ya, I sleep in my bedroom. Nah, itu juga termasuk intransitive verb, sleep ya. Karena kita tidak menambahkan objek. In my bedroom is an adverb. Adverb of place
Gini ya,
juga.
Miss. I sleep in my bedroom in the bed, gitu, like that. Itu kalau gitu jadinya salah. Itu tidak benar.
In the bed berarti tugas maha di tengah-tengah bednya.
Iya.
On the bed. On the bed. Yeah.
Not in the bed.
I sleep on my bed. Nah,
berarti
saya tidur di atas kasur saya. Nah, itu juga preposition of place. Ya, itu juga place, bukan objek. Oke.
Yang objek bagaimana, Miss?
Tidak bisa. Kalau sleep memang tidak bisa diisi objek. Sama seperti running, ya. The dog is running. Kita tidak bisa tambahkan objeknya karena segitu saja. Ya.
Jadi memang berlari, akhirnya mau diapain lagi? Sudah berlari kan nggak usah
Sudah
ditambah
berlari,
lagi.
ya.
Kecuali the dog is running to
In
take
the
the
park.
ball, maybe gitu ya.
Nah, kalau to take the ball sama saja, berarti runningnya tetap intransitif, take-nya baru yang transitif. Ya, oke. And also swimming. Nah, I am swimming. Oke, sudah swimming, selesai, the end. So swimming is intransitive verbs. Ya. Okay, so to make it more complete, ya, let's watch the video first. Kita tonton video ini dulu.
I like video.
Okay. So can you listen to the music?
Yes, it's so loud.
So loud. Okay.
Oh,
Transitive and intransitive verbs. A verb that does not make sense on its own in a sentence requires an object. It is called a transitive verb. For example, the shelf holds the books. Here, the shelf is the subject, holds is the transitive verb, and the books is the direct.
Okay, so here, yeah, the shelf holds the book. Nah, so we can make a question of this, yeah. What
What the shelf
the
holds?
shelf holds, gitu ya.
what
Does what
does
does
the shelf
what does the shelf in the book
Okay, the books. Nah, jadi holds-nya ini adalah transitive verbs. Okay, good. Next.
Direct object. A verb that indicates complete action by itself in a sentence does not require an object. It is called an intransitive verb. Adverbs and prepositions usually follow intransitive verbs. For example, my sister cries loudly. Here, my sister is the subject. Cries is the intransitive verb. And loudly is the adverb.
Okay, nah, so here, yeah, cries is also same like sleep and also running, swimming. Jadi dia sama, ya, no need.
Jadi yang baru,
Objek.
yang pada saat dilakukan begitu mas.
Ya, jadi dia tidak perlu objek karena di sini loudly itu menjelaskan bagaimana my sister menangis. Ya, bukan
iya.
objek.
Bukan benda loudly.
Bukan benda dia, ya.
A transitive verb is incomplete without a direct object, whereas an intransitive verb makes complete sense without a direct object. For example, we watched. I jumped in excitement.
Nah, like this ya. We watch. Kayak kurang gitu kalimatnya ya. We need to
Yeah.
add the object.
Like
ya.
I
We
watch TV.
We watch TV, we watch a movie, we watch a cartoon, we watch Upin Ipin maybe, or we watch YouTube, ya. Okay, so you can add more to make it complete. Kalau we watch gitu aja kayak kurang, ya. And then for this one, nah jump, ya. I jump in excitement. Jadi saya melompat dengan gembira, dengan girang, ya. Jadi tidak perlu.
Yeah, but
object.
what did you jump in?
Yeah. Okay, next.
Like
Sometimes, a transitive verb takes two objects.
Okay, I will skip this part because this
Why?
about objects, yeah. So we will focus on the verbs. Kita nanti belajar direct, indirect object, not now, ya.
Why? Because
Okay, so this
Example,
one,
said
the
it
verbs.
was
Ricky plays football. Ricky plays very well.
Okay, nah, so this one, ya. Some verbs can be used in both ways. Can be transitive, can be intransitive. Yeah, for example, this one. Ricky plays football and Ricky plays very well. So, in this sentence, we can know, what does Ricky play?
Ricky plays. What does Ricky play?
Ricky play.
plays football.
Football. So the answer is football. Yeah. So football is the object. So plays is a transitive verb. Yeah. And then if we ask question here, what does Ricky play? Apa yang dia mainkan? We don't know, ya, tidak ada dijelaskan di sini, tetapi dijelaskan bagaimana dia bermain. Oh, dia bermain dengan sangat baik. So very well is an adverb. Ya.
Jadi yang tidak bisa dijelaskan karena itu kata kerja bukan benda.
Ya, adverb itu kata keterangan.
Ya, maksud saya kata keterangan.
Adverb of time, adverb of place. Yeah, we will study about adverb later. Yeah. Okay, so those are the explanation for this. Yeah. Okay.
Kaget Tuhan.
The music at the end.
Ya,
Now
kiranya pakai headset soalnya.
we will answer the course book. Yeah. So if you have the course book, let's open it. But if you don't have, it's okay.
Wait, but I can.
book first, Miss.
Yeah, you can take your notebook.
Game.
Yeah, I will show you how to write the answers on the notebook. Ya, nanti Mrs. kasih tahu caranya supaya nggak bingung.
That is page.
Course book page
20.
20 ya.
Okay. Suddenly.
Course book.
Miss, what page, Miss?
Course book
What page?
course book page 20.
Page 20.
Yeah.
Aduh,
I have decorated
sakit
with
hati.
two hearts.
Wait 1 minute. Wait a second.
Page
Wait a second.
20.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait an hour. Wait an hour.
Okay. You can prepare your pen or pencil for writing the answers also.
Okay. I got my pen.
Miss, I already did this page, Miss.
Wow, that's good. Let's check your answer together ya. Dicek lagi answernya. Kira-kira sudah sama belum sama Miss Rose? Okay?
Maybe no. I don't know.
It's okay. Yeah. So I will ask you to read one by one. Yeah. If you don't know the answer, it's okay. Yeah. So I just ask you to read. Mrs. cuma mau anak-anak baca saja. If you don't know the answer, it's okay. We will find the answer together. Ya.
Okay.
Sudah dijawab ini bukunya, lalu ini maksudnya apa ya? TTM.
Okay.
Ya nggak
So
apa-apa, tugas mah.
I will explain how to answer this one. Yeah. I will read the instructions first.
go. This is
Okay.
the
Can we
game.
start now?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Okay.
By the way,
Underline
how
the
to write?
verbs in the sentences below and write T for transitive or IT for intransitive. Nah, so we need to make underline below the verbs, ya. Kita garis bawahi verbsnya, and then T for transitive, IT for intransitive, and then we will write the code.
How to answer and no.
Okay, after this I will tell you, ya, Rena. Okay, Kirana, please read number 1.
Okay. How to say that name? Piyush?
Piyush maybe?
Piyush?
Piyush?
Piyush heard a knock on the door.
Okay, Piyush heard a knock on the door. So the verb is heard.
Transitive?
Okay, so how to know this one transitive or not? Yeah, we ask question.
Because I asked a question just like,
What did
what did Pius
Pius
hurt? Just like that.
Pius
Knock
hurt.
on the door.
yeah,
just
good.
like
A
that.
knock on the door. Yeah, so these are the objects. Jadi Miss Rus kasih lingkaran untuk objek. So this one is transitive. Yeah, so we type here T. Nah,
Yeah, I'm correct.
Like that.
correct. Good.
Good job.
So for student who didn't have the book, yang tidak punya buku bisa tulis seperti ini ya. Number
Miss,
one.
my
Jadi
book
Miss
is
Rus contohkan di
already
bawah.
answered.
Di buku saya biar saya latihan juga, Miss.
Oke, bisa dilihat ini caranya. Kita tulis heard karena heard-nya itu di underline ya. Oke, jadi Miss Rus tulis heard and then
Yang
kasih
punya
sama
pulsa?
dengan T. Nah, jadi anak-anak yang tidak punya buku bisa menulis jawaban seperti ini. You can write the answers
Kalau
like
yang
this.
punya enggak ya?
Yang nggak punya, yang punya, you can make as I
Please, what
made.
number 1 again? I was searching for my book.
Oke,
I understand now.
Miss itu nggak
oke.
usah diginiin kan, dilingkarin lagi.
Di apa?
Dilingkari lagi.
Boleh dilingkari terus isi objek boleh. Kalau tidak it's okay.
Hard T gitu ya, Miss.
Ya, T, transitive.
Kalau di buku itu jawabannya kayak T begitu.
Ya, T or IT.
Kurang gagak ya, Miss.
Tapi saya tulisnya
Ya,
itu
itu
ya,
enggak.
bukan.
Oke, Rena please read the question number 2.
The crow found some water in the clay pot.
Good. Found is the verb.
Found is the verb. Yeah.
Maybe
And then,
And then it's T. I think it's that.
okay, what did the crow find?
yeah, what
Apa
did
yang
the
dia
cow
temukan?
found?
Some water.
Some water.
Some
So
water.
this one is transitive. Good.
Yeah, correct.
Number 3.
Okay, number 3. Please get read number 3.
Okay, number 3. The children live happily.
Good. The children live happily. Yeah, live is the verb.
It's IT. I think.
Yeah, this one is IT. There is no object. Yeah.
Happily ever
IT.
Live.
Mhm.
Terus sama teman.
Because it's happily.
Yeah, because it's not an object. It's not an
Yeah, it's happily is an adverb, not an object. Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss, harus ditambah juga, Miss, apa yang dimaksud, Miss? Kayak contoh nomor 1 itu.
Oh no.
Ever after.
Oh, tapi saya tuliskan, Miss.
Okay, it's okay. Tapi happily bukan objek ya.
Happily ever after.
Di artinya kesenangan. Kesenangan. Objek kesenangan.
Nah, happily is an adverb.
Miss,
Okay.
saya tahu, Miss, kecuali itu sebuah tempat nama tempat kesenangan, baru bisa dibilang objek.
Okay, so number 4, Tugas Maha, please read it.
Okay. Oh wait, I'm take my book.
Liso. Di layar aja baca terus Maha.
Okay. They saw a shadow on the hill.
Okay, they saw a shadow on the hill. So,
Okay.
so is this verb?
Is that T?
Yes, T.
What
What
did
did
they
they
saw?
see?
What did they saw?
Because they saw
Shadow.
a
So
shadow.
it maybe is not what the name? IT?
T.
Oh, T.
Mhm.
Shadow itu bukannya itu benar tuh apa?
Yes,
Ya,
shadow is a
objek.
noun.
Object.
Bayangan.
Bayangan. Did you know bayangan?
Yes, I
In
know.
the road.
Not just in the road.
Banyak lagi. Yes.
Everywhere maybe.
Yeah,
Shadows.
everywhere.
When there's a sun.
Yeah, where
Yes,
there's a sun or a
On the
light.
light.
Yeah.
Or in the night time.
Mhm.
Oh yeah. Because of the lamp.
Oh ya,
Ya,
kayak
ya,
bulan
benar,
kayak
benar. The sun.
Next, number 5, Ge Aya, please.
Ya kalau ada cahaya.
Okay. Rahul disappeared suddenly.
Good. The Rahul disappears suddenly.
Mysterious. Oh my god.
So mysterious ya. Tiba-tiba menghilang. Oke. So
IT.
ya IT. Di sini tidak ada objek, no
Rahul
objek.
kan hilang tiba-tiba.
Ayo diculik dah dia. Siapa yang nyulik?
Oke.
Tuh,
Disappear
oktopus
suddenly.
lagi.
Wow.
Kepalanya lagi ayam.
Where did he go? Okay. Next. Okay. Gus Ale, please read number 6.
Miss Hera
Accepted.
the
Invitation.
invitation.
Okay. Good.
Invitation. Maybe I usually
Accepted. Accepted. What did she accept?
Hey, they accept the
Invitation.
Yeah, the invitation. So this one is
I'm correct.
C.
Kalau yang mintain kari itu artinya Kim.
Aku.
Yes.
Dinda yang bilang.
Masa ya?
Iya, kan tadi bilang Titi terus.
Iya, nggak usah ngegas Kim.
Okay, next. Ranti, please number 7.
Okay. Grandfather wait patiently.
That's IT.
Patiently.
IT. IT kan? IT.
Yeah, IT.
Yeah, it's IT.
IT.
Because it's
Good.
adverb,
Yeah,
not
there is no object here. Yeah.
Barusan tadi ada di resume, jadi gampang.
Tadi ada ini juga. Okay.
Ya, they wait patiently, jadi
Yeah.
ganti benar aja.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, the last Rania, please. The last number.
A tiger lived in the forest near the old woman's house.
Okay, thank you. A tiger lives.
For me,
That's T.
Look at number 3. The children lived happily. A tiger lived in the forest near the old woman's hut.
that's T.
That's T.
T or IT?
Where is the tiger live? They live in the forest. Yeah, right?
Oh,
Right?
The answer is IT.
T kan bener.
Oh yeah, there's no,
Apa artinya?
there's no object.
Yeah, no object. In the forest near the old woman's hut is,
Miss old
adverb.
woman itu apa, Miss?
ya?
So, nenek wanita tua.
Ya. Jadi a tiger tinggal di hutan dekat pondok dari seorang nenek.
Nah, yo. Kok nah, yo?
Adverb
Udah kan
of-
tinggal bawa pen aja.
Untung
pen
cuma
aja pergi. Nah,
untung cuma di dekatnya, untung nggak di dalamnya.
Iya, cuma dekatnya,
di
bukan di
dalamnya.
dalam rumahnya.
kalau di dalamnya bisa aja bawa pen kayak Rapunzel.
Okay, so these are the answers ya. Ini
Yay.
jawabannya. Nah, tadi siapa yang bilang sudah jawab? Bisa dicek. You can check again your
Saya sudah
answers.
tadi.
Ya, and then you can
Ya,
fix it.
sama-sama Miss. Saya udah
Oke.
tadi dan
Just
benar.
right.
Yes. Okay, good job, Rena.
Titik,
Thank you.
titik.
TT, ITT, ITT, IT, IT. Okay, those are the answers.
Iconic.
IT,
During this, I want to see.
IT.
IT,
It's like
Okay. So if you miss some answers, if you miss some answers, you can check
Yeah,
the
done.
LMS. I will put the answer key on the LMS.
Miss, is
Yeah.
there a game?
No game, but just a little quiz.
Yes, I like quiz.
Quiz that consists of 10 questions. Can I close
That is
this
a
screen
game
now?
for me.
IT. Bentar, saya mau coba deh, Miss. Saya buka.
Oke, disuruh close dulu ya.
Miss, we use what?
Berat, terus mana ya?
Oh, we don't use anything, just a simple quiz.
Okay.
Okay, this one, the quiz
Oh wow.
below this one.
Oh wow.
It's just a simple quiz, no need application, just answering here. Yeah, there are 10 questions.
Oh,
Ya.
Wow.
Okay, so if you see the line like this ya, it means that we are here. Kalau seperti ini berarti kita sedang ada di sini. And then nanti boxnya itu if the color is yellow, it means that we skip that question. And then if is it gray is answered, green for correct, red for incorrect. Yeah. So let's answer this.
I usually answer it now.
Okay. They twin the highway recently. What did they twin?
Miss, what is that? Oh, I know.
Miss Win.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know.
Transitive
Oh,
or
I remember this one.
intransitive?
Intransitive?
Aduh, salah.
I don't know.
What did they twin? Apa yang mereka
Miss, saya barusan
rendahkan?
coba transitive.
Cek ya, Miss ya.
Is that transitive?
Ya, kemudian kalau sudah dicek.
Cek ya.
Ya, correct.
Kok salah?
I'm incorrect.
Nah, it's okay.
Why?
Next, you remember.
Intransitive?
That's
Intransitive. Good. Karena di sini tidak ada dijelaskan
Yes.
apa yang diingat.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Good. Next, number
Emily
3.
skip the class.
Emily skip class.
Intransitive?
That's
What did Emily skip?
Transitive.
transitive.
Oh.
Transitive.
Yes.
Yay. Next.
Transitive.
My
ya.
siblings
Okay.
often.
Class is the object.
What?
This one.
What?
Next. My siblings often argue with each other. Transitive or intransitive?
Transitive?
Intransitive.
Yeah,
Intransitive.
Oh no.
Check. Yes, correct.
It is.
Ya, karena di sini tidak ada topik apa yang mereka
Argue
debatkan.
Argue
Yeah,
because
like
Okay.
what? Yeah, like the remote for the TV.
For example, my siblings often
Why do-
argue about food, misalkan. Oh, sering debat
movie
tentang
night.
makanan, baru transitive. Ya.
Miss, what is this? Just
What?
like she lied to me just like that.
Ya, she lied to me. Transitive or intransitive?
intransitive.
Good, intransitive.
Check.
She lied to me about what? She doesn't. She
Correct.
doesn't explain.
Sarah
Ya.
loves
What you like about?
what Sarah loves? Sarah
Siliputi.
loves Siliputi.
That's
Transitive.
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 Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Because she loves Siliputi and
Siliputi.
Silipadi.
Okay, next. The old canals are selling their house.
Transitive.
That's
Transitive. Good.
Kalau the what is O'Connell's? What is
Their
O'Connell's?
Maybe someone's name.
Yeah.
Miss,
Kalau the
O'Connell.
O'Connell's are selling,
The family's name is O'Connell. Miss, what is state? Miss State.
Yes,
We
We
stay
stay
up too late.
Up too late. Intransitive.
Intransitive.
Yeah, because like there is like why did they stay up? Why did they stay up late?
Yeah. Too late is an adverb.
What do I draw?
Yeah.
I am drawing
That's
transitive.
kalau
Yeah.
I'm drawing itu baru
Quadrilateral is kotak ya. Maksudnya persegi gitu.
yeah.
Quadrilateral. Ya.
Quadrilateral.
Oh,
Quadrilateral.
Right. It's
Alright. Okay, we have reached the end of the question. In many cultures, the oak symbolizes royalty.
intransitive ya?
that's
In
intransitive.
many cultures.
Okay.
Intransitive.
What does the oak symbolize?
Yes, transitive.
The oak
Transitive ya?
royalty.
Yeah,
Yes,
transitive.
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 Because the answer is royalty.
Saya lihat karena Miss
Ay, salah nomor
Rosti
1.
transitive.
Transitive.
Oh iya, saya salah nomor 1 dan nomor 4.
Okay, it's okay. Nanti bisa di
Aja salah nomor 1 aja, habis itu selesai.
Bisa diulang lagi ya.
Finish
Oke,
quiz.
finish quiz. Oke, thank
Ah.
you.
Got 100%.
Finish quiz.
Where's
Okay.
90%? Yes, 90%.
Your
It's
question.
okay. Yeah, you can
90%.
try again and again. Yeah,
Oh, you can
find
start the game.
the other quiz again on the Google.
Wow.
Yeah, so many quizzes.
Yeah. I just like